You've probably seen plenty of get rich with AI content this year, from Sam Altman interviews, hustle bro tips, and endless ChatGPT hacks. But most people still aren't using AI the real way. They're not building workflows around it, they're not closing more deals with it, and they're most likely just watching from the sidelines, waiting for the next tool to magically change everything. But watching more content and hoping to learn or discover new tools isn't gonna make it happen. I'm Logan Burchett, co-founder of Forecaster. We've raised $15 million, built a team of 40 plus people, and AI has been a part of how we operate every single day, helping us close deals faster, move with less friction, and scale sustainably. The people winning with AI aren't chasing every shiny tool. They're building real skills around it. That's what this video is all about. It's 6 AI skills that can actually change your business whenever you put them into practice. The first skill isn't about money, it's about building the habit. So skill number 1 is use AI in your daily life. Build the habit before you build the business. AI tools change all the time, but using them every day is what really adds up. There are really only 2 types of people: the ones who use AI every day and the ones that keep talking about it without actually doing anything. The first group's already finding ways to make more money and save more time. The second group is still scrolling and just binge watching. It's a lot like Jeff Bezos back in 1995. He didn't wait for e-commerce to go mainstream. He was in the trenches, learning and experimenting and building. And that's exactly what today's winners are doing with AI. They're writing sharper cold emails, they're drafting investor decks in half the time, and automating the boring stuff that nobody wants to do. They're getting fluent now so that whenever the real breakout opportunities arrive, they're already ahead. For top performers, AI isn't a side tool anymore. It's the foundation. It's what makes them 10 times more effective without needing 10 times more people. Whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Zapier, or even Gemini inside Gmail, the tool doesn't matter. What matters is that AI is running their day, from research to reporting to execution. And here's the kicker: if AI can run your day, imagine what it can do for your business. That's the entire idea behind what I call the automation agency model. Skill number 2 is the 10K AI side hustle, automation agency model. Now this skill is all about spotting workflows that can be automated and turned into reoccurring revenue. Let's take a 20-year-old in Canada that I heard about. He automated DMs for a local gym using Zapier, ChatGPT, and Google Sheets. It took him 3 hours to set up. Now he earns about $1,200 a month, and it runs totally on autopilot. No code, no SaaS launch, no venture capital. He found a problem, he solved it with AI, and he charged a monthly retainer. Now that's the automation agency model in action. Fonz Finance has wired its core operations on Make and saves over 10,000 hours a year. Smith.ai uses a single Zap to analyze 5,000 calls a week. That's more than 250 hours saved every week. The playbook is simple. You find a repetitive workflow, you replace it with an AI system, and then you charge a monthly fee to keep it running. And the tools are already out there. Zapier or Make for automation, HubSpot to manage CRM and pipelines, VoiceFlow for simple chatbots, and Revelance for AI dashboards. The heavy lifting is done. You're just connecting the dots. Prompting is the language, no code is the toolbox. Together, they let you turn an idea into a product that people will actually pay you for. And that leads us straight to the next skill, because the better you are at prompting, the more powerful every one of these systems becomes. The third skill is master prompt engineering, or you're gonna stay mediocre forever. Prompting isn't about asking clever questions. It's about giving the AI clear, structured instructions. The best company treat ChatGPT like it's a $200 an hour consultant. They assign roles, they feed it real data, and they push it through a multi-step tasks. Here's the difference. Most business owners will type, "Write me a business plan." And what they get back is a cookie cutter document that kind of looks like it came straight out of a template. But if you set the role, the format, and the constraints, everything changes. For example, act as a startup advisor, write a 2-page business plan in bullet points for a local coffee shop targeting college students. Include marketing ideas under $50 and 1 high-risk, high-reward experiment. Now you got something that you can actually act on tomorrow. And once you've nailed this level of prompting, the next step is to pair it with no code. That's when you start building AI-powered products and workflows at a speed that most dev teams cannot match. Skill number 4 is to use no-code tools to build fast, even if you suck at tech. The fastest builders aren't the ones writing the code. They're the ones who can clearly describe what they want. Startups and enterprises are already proving it. Different stacks, same results. No code plus AI means faster execution and measurable ROI. This is the real power of no code. It lets you move at AI speed, turning ideas into working products in hours instead of months. Bubble, Glide, V0, Cursor, Replit, Notion, and Make. All of these give you drag and drop leverage without ever writing any lines of code. And here's the thing, you don't need to be a tech genius. You need clarity. If you can explain the outcome that you want, AI and no code can handle the heavy lifting. And it's only getting better. Very soon, you won't even need to describe what you want in detail. You'll just point AI in the right direction and it will figure the rest out. And that evolution is what brings us to the next skill, which is AI agents. Because once no code systems and smart prompts are in place, agents can take the wheel and start running the entire workflows on their own. AI agents are quietly replacing full teams. So skill number 5 is learning how to design workflows that agents can run. AI assistants are old news. The next wave is AI agents, systems that don't just help with tasks, but actually run the workflows. Think of it like having a team that never burns out, never takes weekends off, and doesn't need a salary. This is already happening. Tiny Fish uses browsing agents to manage price tracking, inventory, and shipping analysis, work that can take entire ops teams. QVO AI's competitor analysis agent automates research across websites, press releases, and job boards. The result? Research times cut by 90%, win rates are up by 40%. And marketing teams that run campaigns through agents are seeing a 25% higher conversion rate and 30% pipeline growth. Agents don't just assist, they replace the workflow itself. Crew AI runs full SDR systems, finding leads, writing emails, following up. Deep Research can read 300 plus articles and deliver clean insights. Chat Dev even uses agents to hire other agents and build apps. Now, I'm not saying humans are out of the picture. What's really happening is that we're freeing up people to focus on higher value work while agents handle all of the repetitive grind. And if agents are replacing teams, the first role that they're coming for is copywriting, which brings us to the last skill, AI copywriting. Write like a 7-figure marketer without being one. AI can now write better copy than most marketers, but only if you steer it the right way. I'll give you 2 examples. A skincare DTC intern used AI to draft a 6-email launch sequence in under an hour. Now that ended up outperforming a $1,200 agency campaign. And a HubSpot user applied AI-driven send time personalization, which lifted open rates by 93% and boosted clicks by 55%. The secret isn't the tool itself, it's how you direct it. And here's how I think about it. ChatGPT is your flexible workhorse. It can crank out cold emails, ad copy, sales scripts, fast. Jasper comes loaded with templates that are proven to convert, especially for landing pages and campaigns. Claude is where I go for tone and flow, especially whenever it's polishing long form pieces like nurture emails or blogs. There are plenty of niche players too, Surfer for SEO, Copy.ai for creative hooks, but the bigger picture is this. AI doesn't replace strong messaging, it supercharges it. You get copy that's faster, cheaper, and smarter. And when you know how to prompt it well, it can perform like a 7-figure marketer on demand. Most people will watch this and then drift right back into scrolling. But the few people who actually apply these skills, in 6 months, they'll be way ahead of the pack. So my advice is to be one of those few. And if you're ready to put AI to work in your business, the next step is to watch 5 AI workflows that you can start using today to build real momentum. Click that and let's turn all of this knowledge into progress.